Okay, so now take a look at the JBL Soundgear Frames. I'm going to do an unboxing first and then go and take them out at the beach, show you wearing them on so you can see exactly what they're like out and about. But I'm really excited to be seeing this. Let's start by taking a look at the box and open them up. So there it is. Now there's a lovely JBL case to start with, which protects the cases in there. You've also got the instruction guide and booklet in there, which I won't go into just now, but we'll take a look. Now here they are now. Now the JBL sunglasses come in two different colours. Two different styles of three different colours. There they are there, and don't they look really, really nice? Now if we take them open and have a look, so you can actually use prescription lenses in these if you want. Now the speakers are actually in the headphones, so if we go and look there, there's the speaker just there in the back of it, just there. So that's where the music plays to when you're listening to it, and on the other side as well, you've got the speaker as well, just in there. So that's where the music plays from. Now we're going to test out exactly how good the music sounds in a minute as when we put them on. Now they also have mics in there as well. So you've got two mics array, one in the temple. And you've also got dual mode noise environmental cancelling as well, which blocks out the noise. Make sure you have good quality conversations and music as you're doing it. Also the hydrodynamic design reduces distortion from air friction as well. So you can have crystal clear calls wherever you are. Now it has in the speakers, it's got 25mm by 9mm high amplitude rectangular speakers, which means that it has a 3-layer diagram, which gives very immersive, engaging sound when you listen to them. So they're very, very good. And they fit very well around you. So yeah, you can listen to them when you're out and about. And they do come with IP54 water rating as well, which is great. So you can listen to them wherever you are. And the lenses are UV-AB blocking as well when you're listening to them. Now they have 8 hours of playtime. Now they do charge here through the USB port there, just there, which has a cable in there as well. So very, very good. Now to turn them on, you literally just open them up and they connect automatically to Bluetooth. Now what I'll do is play some music through them too. See that? Just connected just then. So let's play some music just now so you guys can hear exactly what it sounds like. So let's just choose this one. So see it just switched off. Power back on again.
Connected.
So it's pumping out the music just there in the sunglasses. Really, really good. Let's go and try them out and about, actually at the beach. So here I'm using the JBL Soundgear Sunglasses at the beach, and as you can see, the sound coming through them is really good. I'm using a microphone at the moment. We're recording a video, and the speakers are sitting just up there with the ear, but they work really well. Great sound quality, and as you can see, there's a beach there. Now the water rating as well means I can jump in the surf and use them. Not that I'm going to, because I don't want to ruin these beautiful sunglasses, but yeah, there you go, and there's the surface paradise. What a beautiful place in Australia to actually be at, hey. Whew. Just got back from a run with the JBL Soundgear sunglasses on. And the great thing is they didn't move a lot when I was running. So as you can see, moving my head around, they didn't move. They sit very, very good on the head, which is great if you're running, using them for exercise, or just walking. They're good. And because the sound sat just there with the speakers just outside the ears, it means it's very good for noise as well. So as you can see, I've been running along the Kangaroo Point Cliffs. You can see what a beautiful spot to be using the headphones. And it worked very, very well. So yeah, JBL Soundgear Frames, great for exercise.